Heater's blowing hot. All right. Different speeds. It's a little remote control. Nice, dude. That's a C10. That truck is awesome. That truck is awesome. Is that a Scott? That's a C10. Okay, yeah, that thing is bad. I will in a second. Let me pull over. Look at how scary this house is. That Harris Waltz is the scariest thing in there. Second part to this job is the blower motor. Great. Guess the engine has to be on. Ooh, does your car sound like that? It's likely it's a blower motor. So, we're just going to have to take some of this stuff out of the way. All right, you're gonna be upside down for a second. Looks like, I don't even know what size that little thing is. 2, maybe 3 of them. Let's start by taking those out. It's a 7mm. Okay. Oh, come on. This one is unnecessary. A little electric ratchet would be dope right now. All right, what the hell is this doing here? Let's bring this in. Looks like there's just a little push clip there. Let's get that guy off. Sorry. So one, let's go like this little one here. Get the connector out of the way. They seem a lot smaller than freaking 7mm. Is it a 6? Maybe a 5.5? Come on, man. Fast forward, get 3 of these out. And you could see that crack. Right at the top of that. So that's why this thing failed. So, pulling it out. Well, it's inside the glove box. You pull the cabin air filter out and you'll be able to see that bad boy. Nice, after you verify that it is broken, this is the brakes of this bad boy. So you can't get this out. General Motors, which they're just ridiculous, but right here in this groove is where you want to cut. You're just gonna have to get a knife or some sort of blade, something enough to get in here and cut around this bad boy as clean as you possibly can. Make that cut. That's what the book says anyway. You're just gonna have to cut it out. Make it as clean as possible because the other one has to slide in there, and you definitely want it to slide in well, and you want it to seat properly. So yeah, this is a mess. So took me just about 2 minutes. I used a razor blade and just went around it. Here's a part number to the Duralast. The Duralast comes with this little cover already on it, which is nice. One less thing to do. 2 spades, looks like that matches. Doesn't have that annoying nipple. All right, this is a Continental. It's made in China. This car's from Korea, so this is an upgrade. I believe it's a Korean made car. And then this goes back on. It came with 3 screws to put this bad boy back on, so, and we should be able to mount it up. Start the car up. Get this in there, turn the light on, turn this bad boy on. Spinning. All right, try reading out, guys, bro. Let's put this thing back together, huh?